Everybody been waiting on that baby, man.
Well, guys, we back with another motherfucking video.
Yes, sir, we back.
I know it's been a minute, but you know, just hang in there, all right, guys. We have more videos.
We got a lot of stuff coming, man. You gotta be patient. He sleep, but I'm back. I'm in charge now.
So, all right, guys. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and then we catch y'all back at the ending. All right, guys. Hey. What's up, guys?
What's up?
How's life been treating y'all? I'm out here with the boy.
Yes, sir.
This is my little brother, guys. Ladies, he's taken. I'm sorry. Cute ass guy, I know. What can I say? I got lucky. That's gay. So look.
Can I have this one?
No, bitch. I was gonna do that thing where you put in the thing.
Can I have one?
No.
You have that one.
No,
I don't want that.
It's just
Give me
water.
your barbecue. You don't even like barbecue like that.
We're gonna share it. So
Don't be dipping shit though. I hate when you do that.
So we're about to go to Atlanta United game in a few. Yeah, ketchup.
They can fuck with me.
See,
What do you have one?
we're about to go to Atlanta United game, guys. Oh,
I'm gonna dry my hair.
I'm gonna drop this sauce in your car, my dude.
Yeah, you gonna pay for my next car wash, bitch. Bro, why can you ever eat clean, bro?
I don't know. I really don't know. Every time we eat, literally every time I eat with you, I get dirty. That shit crazy. Guys, I need you to tell me what you're trying to see me do. I wanted to do anything. I can't get arrested. Well, bitch, I saw you did something. I can't be getting arrested yet because I'm on the, I need to fix my papers. After I fix my paper, then maybe I'm gonna get arrested.
This is one of those shiny in the car trying to talk to me.
Nuestra Camila, síguele.
Come on.
Just eliminate me. So guys, I need you to start commenting on my video. If y'all think it's them.
Comment why I don't fuck with George. Like, be honest, bro. I don't fuck with him either.
Here's my dog, he phoned me.
Open that motherfucker up. Please?
Open it. You said you didn't want it. I offered it to you.
I know, but you know what's open? Like, you gonna get it, you know what I'm saying?
So who's playing today?
United versus our team from Honduras.
Okay, guys. Who y'all got? Atlanta United or a team from Honduras? Yeah, hit them comments. Don't be scared, boy. Oh shit. Let's not get his car dirty, cause he's gonna cry.
Yeah, don't fucking get my shit dirty, motherfucker. Oh shit. Sorry.
It's good. But I'll probably record a little bit at the game. Maybe. I don't know yet. I suck at this. I suck at the editing. I suck at this. So if y'all don't like nothing, please tell me. Please.
You don't like it?
I'd rather y'all tell me it sucks.
It sucks.
Than me putting some dumbass shit on the internet for the whole world to see. In this case, the 50 people I follow or that subscribe.
I think your own subscribers don't watch you.
No, I get my subscribers. Hey, y'all fuck with me? Go hit that like button real quick. Go hit that subscribe button. Freaking Mexicans. an idea or y'all trying to do something, let me know. I'll probably be down. I like to do stuff. I never like being home because it'd be boring. So me and my brother have a new thing.
What's that?
Where we play rock, paper, scissors on what we gonna eat. So it's like
I choose a place, he chooses a place. Whoever loses, we don't go to your place.
Yeah, we go to the winner's place to eat. But a few of y'all told me, y'all messaged me talking about y'all trying to do a mukbang. So
Chick-fil-A, sponsor me.
I'm really not trying to be sponsored by Chick-fil-A, but
Free food for life. Come on now.
I guess.
Tiki.
They said, yeah, see, Siki.
Don't get my cup.
If you watching this right now, I would love to have a sponsor.
David Dobrik, put it on.
David, I need a collab, bro.
Yo, David Dobrik is up there, bro. You? Oh, I'm the white young man, bro.
Stop playing, bro.
That marriage is.
I'm
Buys cars, bro.
gonna be wearing his shoes.
You can't even buy me a sweater or some socks.
One day, man. One day. I quit, man. This is gonna be the first dude I spoil, guys.
I heard that. I heard that.
This my brother from another mother.
What's from the same one?
But we from the same mom. But he my dude. Even though we fight here and there, but that's my dude. I'll do anything for the dog, you know? So guys, if y'all, what about you? What about you? The game starts at 8. It's currently at 6:20. We're gonna be traffic, so
I've been there. Bro, you can't eat.
there's gonna be traffic. Supposed to drive like an hour drive. You know?
Go on now. No, I'm gonna get a lunch from the crib. Thank you. Y'all can't meet wifey yet. Y'all not that special. Just kidding. Y'all can't meet her yet.
Guys, tell me where I should prank his girlfriend at. I'm trying to prank his girlfriend. I'm trying to put like a snake in her bed. That shit gonna be funny here.
We're leaving? What do I bring it? Can you go to this for me? Please?
Yeah, so what you bring me?
Give me some.
I don't know.
Are you eating on the car? Oh, that's what I said.
We're doing a mukbang, bro.
Oh, we did a mukbang. You missed it.
What is that?
Say what's up. Say what's up.
What's a mukbang?
When you eat and you just talk.
Oh.
Can you throw some cheese?
Say what's up to YouTube. Alright, guys. We're currently done. We're about to be on the way to.
Good job, Wedo.
We're about to be on the way to.
What?
I missed.
Is that a sweater?
We are about to be on the way to the game, guys. I'm gonna catch y'all there and see y'all in a few. So, guys, we currently made it to the scene. We've been stuck in traffic for the parking space and shit. Y'all already know my brother over here in the porta potty. Hey, 10 likes and I push them. Ricky! Ricky, why is it open? You need it locked there, boy. Yes, Camila open that. Camila pull up on it.
Chill out, bro. Bye, babe. Oh, did you open the door for mom?
Look at this dude, boy.
Hey, leave that song. Hey. Yeah. Oh, That nigga knows music. Open the car.
Alright, so we currently at the game. Alright, we're gonna go look for, I guess, let's see.
Is this a vlog?
Yes, it is.
Mi gente, homie.
Alright, guys.
Thinking like just to walk with her.
I'm gonna catch her inside, alright, guys. We're about to go inside. We're gonna go check in and shit. So we made it in, guys. Y'all already know what this do. We in here. We're about to have a lit time. Hopefully we take home that W, alright? Alright. Vegas, what's up, boy? What's up? Then we got Camila in the cut over here with her crusty ass, boy. Then we got Frank. Yeah, ooh, boy.
This is why I don't come with these people, bro. Oh my god. Where's my dad?
So he mad because my dad was trying to be cool and get off the car.
He was trying to be broke. He didn't want to pay parking. That's what he's trying to do.
Okay, we found Pops, guys. Pops is right there. Look at him. Look at him. He's right there with his ugly ass, boy. Look at him. He's over there smiling and shit. Oh, boy.
My dad.
What'd you just say?
Santa.
That was not
Why you
Santa,
put
my
on the
dude.
Christmas hat? Why you put on this Christmas hat? There was a lot of cute girls out here.
This dude said we just saw Santa. Damn, I should have recorded him. That was not no Santa, guys.
No, it's Santa. There's a lot of cute girls out here.
Oh, there is, huh? You should still.
I'm about to give myself a shotty.
You boy over here talking about he's trying to get a shotty and shit. Ooh. So we're currently looking for our seats, guys. Alright, guys. Hopefully we take a W tonight, guys.
Damn, bro. All the food's up here.
We can't be next to a DJ because then I can't record nothing.
I'm gonna finish this DJ like, hey, renegade.
Guys, we currently at our seats. We're literally sitting with a bunch of other people from the other team, which is so weird. And it would suck to be, I guess, in these spots. Alright, guys. Hopefully we look at this. Look at this. This is literally our seat. And we're Atlanta United, guys. That's a no.
You can't fucking go, bro. You fucking can't fucking go. Everybody. Nice.
I heard. Yeah, I heard he from San Diego, guys.
Hey, y'all.
With the boy Frankie.
Yo.
What?
Are you ready, Atlanta? Time for soccer.
Hey, get it, boy. Alright, guys. Y'all go drop a comment. Let me know who's gonna win. Who y'all think is gonna win? Honduras or Atlanta? Y'all already know we were. Who's playing?
Montawa.
Oh, never mind. Ontawa. So is Atlanta gonna take the W? Shut up, nigga. Atlanta gonna take the W, or is Honduras?
Montawa, which is Atlanta.
Montawa. Guys, y'all let me know in the comments. Go drop them comments who's gonna win. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, alright? This how it looks. You guys, let's get this W. But boo! I know y'all just seen that guy try to hump that dude, bro. I know y'all just seen that. Don't worry, guys. I'll replay it for y'all. Boy, that guy drunk. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Ooh. Who's gonna win, man?
Atlanta United!
Atlanta goal scored by 10 in the 40th minute.
We man on the scoreboard. It's 1-0. Let's get this done, motherfuckers.
Finalized score, Atlanta United 1, FC Motagua 0.
It's going down,
Get the fuck on my seat. Mama Bear over here taking care of
For the latest news, match statistics, and highlights, visit CONCACAF.
Fucking 0! Let's go! Guys, as you see, we taking home the W. Alright, the scoreboard is 3-0. I don't think the other team gonna catch up, you know.
And there's 1 minute.
Yeah, it's 1 minute to the game finish. So I guess we taking home the W, guys. Let's go. So just like that, I guess we're leaving.
That's the end of the match. The final score, Atlanta United 3, FC Motagua.
Just like that, boy.
0.
Yeah, that's all we do is win, guys. Let's go. Go.
I'm waiting for Camila.
Go. And they say yeah. Me?
My dad.
Huh?
Alright, bro, don't put that shit on me, bro. No cap, bro.
Alright, guys. So we currently took a big W, guys. Right, Ricky?
Nah,
Yes, sir.
That's
we
it.
did it. We did. As in, like, right here, bro. This is what I went. This is what I died for. For the city. Yes, sir.
I heard. So we're currently on the way to the car, guys. I'm gonna catch up back in the car or wherever we are, because I'm not trying to get lost, okay? Alright, guys. Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, y'all know what to do.
Yes, sir.
Go hit that subscribe button. Go hit that like button.
Like,
We be back.
comment,
Wait, you
share.
forgot.
Tell your,
Turn on. Wait.
like we were saying, like, share, subscribe, comment.
Turn on the
Tell your friends.
notification
Tell your
bell.
friends to tell their mama. Their mama tell their daddy. The daddy tell their grandpa.
Hey, we be back.
You know everybody been waiting on that baby, man.